Here is Titans Returns Darkmoon and Astrotrain. Here he is in the package. Looks pretty nice there. You can read that if you like. You can pause it. And he does transform into a space shuttle and a train. Let's get him opened. Here he is out of the package. Does come with his two blasters here. His collector's card. With his stats. And some instructions. Let's get his blasters on. Pow, pow, pow. Look at it. Look at the details on this guy. The gray brings out all the little details, which look so great. He does have pointy toes, which I don't really like that much. And there's the back. Really nicely folded backpack. He does have all the regular articulations. Arms go in and out. He does twist at the biceps. His legs go forward and back. Knee at 90 and out. And hip twists. His feet go up and down, but no ankle pivot or ankle rockers. His head does turn at the big part and also at the smaller head part. You click the little front switch to bring up the little headpieces. He does not have wrist swivels or waist articulation. Alright, let's get him transformed. Here he is in space shuttle mode. All the details look great. The purple and gray brings out all the little details just like the robot mode. Unfortunately, on the bottom, you can just see the big robot without the head. It's too bad they couldn't bring the arms in a little bit closer to hide the robot form a bit more. On the chest, you can open up the landing skids and also on the front, so it will sit properly. The Titan Master fits in the back, just like over there. Here is the Titan Master. The Titan Master itself is unpainted. That is too bad. It does have lots of details on the chest and the arms and the legs. Here's the backpack. Alright, let's fold him. Let's bring his legs up and you can just sit him in there and close up the cockpit. It's weird that the cockpit's on the back of the shuttle. You can place the guns on the side. Or you can place them in the back. Let's get him transformed into a third mode. Here he is in train mode, and he looks fantastic. This is one of those gigantic, super high-tech trains, fortresses. As you can see, the doors are really tiny on this one, so this one is one super massive train. It does have turrets, and all those little train wheels, and a cow catcher that's gigantic. It's too bad these cannons don't pivot. And he does have this weird wing thing in the middle. Looks a little bit better without the guns. On the bottom there are some wheels that it can roll along on. Doesn't roll very well though. Yeah, at least it's there. There's the Titan Master. And then the Titan Master can sit into this gun. And you can hold the cannon. Well, not really hold it. It's there. Where can you put this thing? Doesn't fit there. Doesn't really fit there. Doesn't sit by itself. But whatever. It's a feature. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. That's it for now. See you next time.